Let's review the dials and knobs on the top side of the amp, and then we'll flip it over and we'll take a look at all the stuff on the back. Stay tuned. Alright, you just got your Spark 40 amp by Positive Grid and you're wondering what the heck are all these dials for? It does come with this nice little quick start guide, but let's just go through them. First thing, on off switch, turn it on, little red light goes on, and then goes through some checks and whatnot, and it's all good from there. Here we've got 4 presets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It comes factory with some presets, so you don't necessarily have to use your smart device with it, but it's recommended that you do. But that's what that is. We'll go through what this is after. Your volume, your music volume. So when you're jamming, you could use this as a little mixer and dial in your volume. Then you got your headphones. You plug your headphones in there and make peace in the family. Here we've got several settings here. You could plug your acoustic in here. You got an acoustic sound, you got your bass. There's a clean, there's some classy, some crunch, high gain, and my favorite metal. I just leave it on metal. What's your favorite channel? Leave a comment below. Here we got some gain. So you can use your gain here to dial it in. 3 here, they're your equalizers. You got your bass, your mid, your treble. Then you got your master. So it's just kind of a section here that you can dial in your sound. Then you got your modulation. You dial this in. Delay, turn up or down. There's also a tap delay here. So if you could tap this, say slow, that would be your delay. You want to go a really fast delay, you could do that. Okay. Then we got your reverb. And here's my favorite one, the output. This is actually loud now, believe it or not. So, you know, keep it down, keep it up, whatever you want. And then your input jack for your guitar. Up here, like I say, we've got the I showed a little bit on the delay. These are your presets, and it also has a tuner. So if you hold the button in, I don't have my guitar in right now, but you could tune your guitar, and if it's too sharp, these will go red. If it's too low, these would go red, and here's your green. So that's your target. I do have some videos on here, and one of them is for using that as a tuner. So that's the top side of it. Now we're going to go to the back side. All right, we've got the back side. Like I said, there's a reference card for it, so it's all there. So we have here, this is your Bluetooth status indicator. We have an auxiliary in, so you can plug in some stuff. This here is the USB-B. Use this so you can plug into your computer and use it as an interface. There's some free software that comes with it, Studio One, that's just pretty cool if you have a PC. And if you do have a Mac, you could plug it in to your Mac and use your GarageBand, which is pretty cool. I do have a video on connecting this to a PC because sometimes it's a little hard to do. There's some bitrate errors and whatnot that you got to look out for. So I do have a little link in this video that you could take a look at that and go through. Then here's your DC in. It's 19 volts, 2.5 amps right here. And that's the back side. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see some more videos. Rock on.